So here is how you can use one phone number on two phones. So the phone I'm currently using to record this video is the iPhone, and that's where I have the main WhatsApp, and this is my Android. Currently it's not connected to any WhatsApp number. So what you need to do to use the same phone number on another phone, all you need to do is install the version of WhatsApp you're using. So as for me, I'm using WhatsApp Business on my main phone, which is the iPhone. Okay, and on the Android I've as well downloaded the WhatsApp Business. So if you're using the normal WhatsApp, download the normal WhatsApp. So to proceed, so you're going to be presented with this screen, which they're going to request you to enter in the phone number you'd like to connect your WhatsApp to. But in this case, you're not going to enter the phone number here. Instead, what you're going to do is click on the three dots on the top right corner. Then you're going to click on link to existing account. So click on link existing account. So now what you need to do is simply go to your main phone and click on link devices. So let me try to show you if it will work. Okay, so when you go to your main WhatsApp, all you need to do is click on linked devices, then click on link a device. Then it's going to scan the QR code and it's going to log in. So right now the messages are logging in, they're being loaded. So simply give it some time and all the chats will be loaded on your new device. So this way you'll be able to use two WhatsApp accounts with one single number, which is actually a good thing. Okay, so you don't need to use separate phone numbers if you own two phones. So my chats also as if they load, so just have to be a little bit patient. Okay, so now I just have to name this one. I'll name it as Android. Okay, then I'm going to click on save. Okay, so they are finally loaded, so I won't show you my charts, so I've simply gone to the tools page. So as you can see, okay, I'm finally logged into this WhatsApp. So let me just show you this. Okay, so as you can see here, this is my settings account, and then I click on my name, and as you can see, okay, that's my name and my phone number. So if I go to my WhatsApp on this iPhone, okay, click on settings, click my account, and as you can see, this is the phone number, and I'm actually having it on too. So this feature has been around for quite some months. Yeah, some of you might already know it, some of you who might not, well, you can give it a try, and it's actually a good feature of WhatsApp.